Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can active dark mode in Facebook Messenger. So I'm in my Facebook Messenger. On the left side, my profile image, I'll tap there, and now I can see dark mode. I just have to make it enable, and now I'm in a dark mode. So suppose you don't have this option in your profile, then you can do one thing. You can go back to your Messenger, just open any chart, and right in the text box you have to click this emoji button. Just look for this lunar moon and send, and after that go back to your profile and you will see your dark mode. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get dark mode in your Facebook Messenger. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.